The Indian Medical Association (IMA) has announced a 24-hour nationwide withdrawal of services by doctors of modern medicine across the country in protest against the brutal rape and murder at R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata. The protest will start at 6 a.m. on August 17th and continue till 6 a.m. on August 18th. In a statement issued by IMA, it is said that all essential services will be maintained, casualties will be manned, routine OPDs will not function and elective surgeries will not be conducted. The withdrawal is across all the sectors wherever modern medicine doctors are providing service. The IMA's call for a day-long strike came on a day when the Federation of Resident Doctors Association decided to rejoin the protest in the wake of widespread criticism of its earlier decision to withdraw. The nationwide protest is likely to impact the functioning of OPD and other elective surgery in RIMS and other hospitals in the state on August 17th and 18th.